same code I can put in my own method also, but it is not the issue here.
Okay.
That's why I'm focusing only on this particular predefined methods. And inside that, let me take one string here. String str is equal to all the letters in capital letters I'm typing. Hyderabad. Very simple method. System dot out dot print ln within bracket. You can convert that into lowercase. Very simple. Str dot two lowercase. Two in small letters.
Okay.
Sorry, I want to convert that. Yeah, lower. L capital.
Lower.
Lower.
Okay.
Again, C capital. Don't forget. Every word should start with a capital letter.
Correct.
Over. Program is over. Save as string demo 6.java.
String demo 6.
Yeah. Dot Java. Got it? Small letters. You can see.
Yeah, correct.
That's how you can run this. And then same program, and you can try for uppercase. You write in small letters. I will provide you in the notes.
Okay, I will try that.
Within maybe tomorrow, I will send you notes of streams and strings at a time.
Sure,
To
sure.
uppercase. You just change the method name as to uppercase. That's all. Now let me go with the next program. To uppercase is also there. Next one is you can reverse the string. Okay, you can reverse this string. The method used is reverse, directly reverse you can use, but it cannot be applied on string classes. There is another class called as string buffer. At the end of this class, I will talk about string buffer, and string builder classes. Okay, so just like string, there is another class called as string buffer. What is the difference? I will discuss between string and string buffer and string builder. I will discuss soon, but let me use string buffer because string class reverse method will not work. We have to take string buffer class. It is also like string class. Whatever are available in string, they are all available in string buffer also. You can create object. And now see, very simple method, reverse. I want to reverse that. Reverse is the method applied on string. You take anything here. Let me take bat. You'll get tab tab. Is it not?
Yeah.
So let me make it as 7 and let me save it. String demo 7.java. Let's run this. Oh, mistake. What is that? String buffer str is equal to string buffer. Cannot find symbol. String buffer. What is saying like that? It is there. Method string buffer. String. We passed string only. Oh, new. I forgot. Is it not?
Yeah, correct.
That's what I missed here. Wait, let us check this. Now it will work. Right, perfect.
Yeah.
Right. Done. Tab.
Yeah.
And what about string literal? Will it work? Let me test for that also. Means for string, there are two ways of doing things. What about string buffer? Is it possible? String buffer str2, let us make it as, and the previous one is 1, and I tried already for 1 here, and let us try for 2 is equal to, let me add cat. Okay, direct string literal like I use it. Is it not?
Yeah, yeah.
Did it work or
Right.
not? Let me test. And str2 will come here.
2.
Work. TSC tag should come as the output. We will test that. Oh, mistake is there. So string buffer literal is not allowed. Only for
Allowed.
string,
Yeah.
only for string that option is there. But for string
Object.
buffer, it is
Yeah.
not there. But what about string builder? Is it there? Let me check for that also. I don't think so. I don't think so. Same problem. Only for string,
Yeah.
exclusively for string, it works. For string buffer or builder, it doesn't work. So I should make a comment here. This doesn't work. Is it not? You should understand, right?
Yeah.
This does not work. So one gets intention. When we tried with a string, why not with a string buffer? But this does not work. They are not
Correct.
defined like this. So obviously, you have to put a comment here. This will not work. So what is the difference between string buffer, and string builder? We will discuss. Before that, let me briefly discuss some issues on string. It's an entry question. Are string objects
Sir?
mutable? Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Recording, or I forgot. I started, I think. Yeah. You are asking some doubt.
Yeah, yeah, it is okay. No,
What
no,
is
no,
it?
sir. I thought you asked me something, sir.
No, no. Are string objects mutable? Mutable means modifiable. Okay. Are string objects mutable? Mutable is nothing but modifiable. Already we have done a couple of programs on strings. Like yesterday we found a substring, we have concatenated, we have reversed, of course, using string buffer. And then
Yeah.
what else we have done? We found whether it starts with or not, ends with or not. To uppercase we converted,
Correct.
to lowercase we converted. So what is your guess? Are string objects modifiable? I mean mutable?
Yes, sir, because we have tried so many
But
things, I think so.
see, the answer is no. No. I will explain.
Okay.
String objects are
Not modified.
immutable. Immutable
Okay.
means not modifiable. Why? I will explain. This is an entry question, actually, important entry question. This one. String objects are immutable, but how it is changing its shape. Like if I take Hyderabad in caps, you are converting into lowercase. Or if I take what is it? Mm, reverse, of course, we have done, but using string buffer. We have done so many methods on yesterday. Concat, yeah, concat. Two strings, Hyderabad. I can concatenate and make it as Hyderabad using concat method.
Yeah.
Is it not? But actually, concat method will
Correct.
not do that. Okay. Internally, there is behind the scene some other methods are there. Like there is one method name. I will show you that. Wait, that is. Append. There is one method called as append that is going to do this task. Okay. So actually
Okay.
in string buffer class there is a method called as append that is going to do this job of mutability. String objects, just like string class, there is also string buffer class. I told you, right?
Right.
So actually no string objects are immutable. What you have to, how you have to answer is just like string class, just like string class, there is yet another class. There is other class called string buffer. And in string buffer class is a method called append. This method will be called, will be invoked, otherwise will be invoked. When you call concat method, concat is going to call append method that will do this task.
Yeah.
Like that, internal things happening. This method will be invoked while calling some other methods. You are calling concat, but concat is not doing the job. It will internally call append method. Got it? This method will be invoked while calling some other methods of string class. So behind the scene, this is going to take place. That is why string objects are immutable, but string buffer objects are mutable. Got it? String buffer objects are mutable. If you can give this answer, I will get full marks. So the great answer is no, string objects are immutable. Just like string class, there is yet another class called string buffer. And in string buffer class, there is a method called append. This method will be invoked while calling some other methods of string class. So string buffer objects are mutable. So string buffer objects are mutable, but string objects are immutable. So two important questions I have given already. One is double is equal to versus equals method. Yesterday we discussed it. The other one is string objects mutable. Okay, we have done with all the methods, almost all. Let me open my notes and revise at a glance. Anything we missed, we can understand. So we have gone all with these definitions, string, a package in which string class is present, how to create a string. We have gone with that also. We have gone with this, right? Three ways of
yes sir.
And why Java uses concept of string literal is also an entry question. How to answer that? To make Java more memory efficient, because no new objects are created now. If you use string literal, that is one advantage.
Correct.
Actually, even if you use literal, one object will be created. But if you create multiple literals, I mean multiple references to literal, then only one object will be there. Just references will be more. References will be more. The object will be only one. Got it? Yeah. See, for example, if I take class to you, means I am the object here, and I am referred by you. Similarly, if I take class for somebody else, some 4 or 5 other students, so all of them are references to me, and I am the only object.
Right.
Is it not?
Only object. Yeah, correct.
So it doesn't mean that when I am discussing with you, I am one object, and I am discussing with somebody else, I am not a different object. Same object will be there. Correct. Okay. That is why memory, properly memory can be utilized. Memory efficient technique in Java. Okay. Correct. That's why Java soft people have given top priority to this. And we discussed all these methods. Please check any method missed here. Equals ignore case means if you see, I will discuss that also. Equals ignore case, we will do that. Same program, I will do it another way. See here. Oh, this one is executed, no? Executed, of course. Okay.
Yeah.
String demo 8. Let me put it as. And here I took string buffer. I reversed that. I take another class, another method. And str is equal to take okay, again I will take bat, B in capital letter. Generally ignores uppercase. I might have done a program. If I think it might be wasting time. If the program is there directly, I'll explain. Otherwise, let us not waste time. Little time is there. We have done this already. All three styles we have done now. We can display like this.
Right, yes, sir.
STR2, we have done this before. Let me check that program is there. I can straight away. Yeah, uppercase we discussed it. Lowercase also is there in the notes. So when I discussed with your brother, I formed this. That's why Hyderabad is there, Bangalore is there at that time.
Okay.
Yeah, and then concat we discussed it. And then length method is there. We discussed about that. starts with, we discussed it
Right.
directly. I use
Starts with ends with.
str dots. It returns a Boolean value, true or false. Is it not?
Right. Hmm.
So I have
Yeah.
designed this program in another way for you, but at that time I discussed it
Yeah.
like this.
Correct. Correct.
Yesterday,
Yeah.
what we have done, I used if condition, I believe.
Starts with I am learning Java.
If
Starts with
condition
I
I
am,
used.
ends with Java. Right. Right.
If str dot, I told like that, but you can do in this way also directly. Means it is going to return Boolean value, true or false. D means true or false.
Right.
D is there, so true.
Yeah, it is true.
Similarly, ends with is also there. Ends with Python, yeah, no full stop
Python.
here,
Yeah.
so it's true. It's not
Right. Right.
false. And then caret also we have done, and then here it is. Here it is. See here, str1 is Java, str2 is
Hmm.
Java.
Small letter.
str1 equals, ignore case, capital letter is there now. Here small letter is there,
Yeah.
but ignores case. If you use equals method, then it will return false. Yes or no?
Right.
Because J capital, J small. If you use only equals method, it will return false. But here I use an equals, ignore case. Don't consider the case positive or negative. So it became true. Got it? That
Okay.
is one more method. I need to
Yeah.
whether it is there. Reverse we have done. Yes, almost we have done. And this substring also we have done. Immutable string in object.
Immutable
This
we
is what I
discussed
told you
now.
right just now.
Yeah.
Or string objects mutable. String objects are immutable, unmodifiable. String buffer objects are mutable.
Objects are mutable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here is the program for that. See here, I have clarified this with one small program. See what is there in yes.
Sachin
is there. S dot concat Tendulkar.
Yeah.
So
Tendulkar.
yes, what is there in yes? You will get
Sachin.
No Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin.
Why? I concatenated.
Yeah, right.
Yes with that, but still that is not added to, because this is different object. S is an object,
right,
and this is another object. It became
correct.
This time when you concatenated with Tendulkar, you got Sachin Tendulkar. It is stored in some other object.
Yeah.
This one is added, na, is joined, na. But the joining,
correct.
when you join, Sachin is different, Sachin Tendulkar is different.
Correct.
Got it? Because inside yes, all its in its all entire lifespan, inside yes only Sachin will be there, not Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Inside
right.
yes only Sachin will be there, but you have joined that with Tendulkar. That is different object. But if you display yes, still Sachin is there. That's why string objects are
correct.
Immutable. Can you change Sachin to
Immutable.
Sachin Tendulkar? No.
No.
You use it some method and it is stored in some other object. Got that point?
Right.
This is a proof for that question.
Correct.
Mutable or immutable. You should carefully understand this program. If any problem, you please ask me. You understood that the main intents in that?
Yeah, I understood, sir.
So what is there in yes? In yes,
ask.
only Sachin is there. Again, if I try yes,
right.
again I'm getting Sachin only. Whenever you say
Sachin
yes, you'll get only Sachin, but not Sachin Tendulkar. Even though you joined that with this, still inside yes, only Sachin is there. So string objects are immutable. Now comes the last entry question. Difference between string buffer, string builder. So string objects are stored in string pool. There is a pool called as string constant pool, separate memory area. Okay. Because why they have done this in Java? To make memory efficient, to make Java memory efficient. I told na. Memory efficient means what? Multiple objects, I mean, with same name, multiple objects need not be created. Srinivas means only one object will be there. It can be referred by n number of other references. Okay.
Correct.
So string pool is efficient memory utilization way. So in string pool, strings, whenever you create string or a string object, those objects are stored in string pool.
String pool.
If you use string buffer, I have showed you, literal is not there in string buffer. Yes or no?
Yeah, right.
Means multiple objects will be created and they are stored in heap. Heap is a memory area. In that string buffer objects are stored.
Right,
string builder also same story. That is why, what is the difference between main difference is string objects are immutable, whereas string buffer and string
Immutable.
builder are
String buffer and string mutable.
You can try reverse with
Mutable.
string builder also, it will work. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, not used in a threaded environment. The string literal, it cannot be used in threading. It is not. Threading will
Threaded
come
or not.
soon for you. After a month, it will come. So in threads, you
Okay.
cannot use string objects, but used in multi-threaded environment. String buffer. Multi-threads means string buffer is having a lot of uses, right? Multiple threads it can be used. And string builder, single threaded environment. Thread is a process.
Okay.
Thread means process, a program you can consider. So in single processing, it will be done. In multi-processing, string buffer you can utilize. And
Buffer.
performance-wise, string objects are very slow, very slow.
Okay.
Slower than string builder, but faster than string. Mediator,
String.
this one.
Okay.
And this is the fastest one. String faster than string buffer. Means string builder is fastest as far as performance is concerned. Performance.
Right.
Okay. How to do this? See, already we have done two ways, either string
Yeah.
object or this. Here only object,
Yeah.
only object. That is a difference. We have done strings totally. We have completed strings, sir.
Okay.
So we have completed strings. Let me start with control structures.
Okay.
Discuss, or are you having any other work?
Sir, no, sir, we can discuss, sir, no problem.
So
And if you are free, busy, we can continue tomorrow, no problem.
ఏం లేదు, ఇవాళ అయితే మిస్ అవుతాం, ఇంకా ఉండదు ఇవాళ, అందుకని.
ఓకే.
మళ్ళీ
అంటే
రేపు
చూడండి
కలుద్దాం
సార్,
మరి.
మీకు ఎలా అంటే అలాగా ఏం ఓకే.
రేపు కలుద్దాంలే. రేపు కలుద్దాం.
ఓకే సార్.
కొంచెం హరి అవుతున్నాను నేను కూడా.
ఓకే.
ఈ థింగ్స్ ఇక్కడ అయిపోతే బయటపడితే తొందరగా రేపు నుంచి ఫ్రీ అయ్యా. మనకి 1 hour తీసుకుంటాను ఎక్కడైనా.
ఓకే.
రిటర్న్ లో కొంచెం ఐఎమ్ ప్లానింగ్ టు విజిట్ 1 or 2 places. జోధ్పూర్ ఒకటిను జైసాల్మేర్ చూద్దాం అని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఫ్యామిలీ వస్తే బాగుంటది కానీ మా అబ్బాయికి ఏమో వ్యాక్సిన్ లేదు, వ్యాక్సిన్ చేయలేదు.
ఓకే.
ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ 11 years old. అందుకని నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఓడి కోసం రావాలి 3 months తర్వాత. అప్పుడు ప్లాన్ చేద్దామని షిమ్లా అట్లాంటివి ఏమన్నా అనుకుంటున్నాను.